shirt and his cap and his... Did you know Santa Claus has a cane?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And actually, I was just wondering, can I just, if it's unchargeable, I would love to just...
Where is Santa Claus's cane? Where? His snowy place? We're pretending Santa Claus is here. Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Take different pictures.
I'm taking a movie.
Ooh.
I'm taking a movie about you guys telling me about Santa Claus being here.
Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Santa Claus! Santa Claus!
So why is Santa Claus here?
Well, it's Christmas.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Christmas was 2 months ago.
Well, I'm pretending.
Oh. Well, what's Santa Claus going to do when he's here?
He's already here.
Oh, what's he doing?
He's putting our presents underneath the tree.
Wow. What kind of presents are you going to get?
I don't know. He's putting them all at the same time.
Oh.
That's a big Santa Claus. He has so many hands.
So many hands?
Yeah.
How many?
He's like having 12.
Oh my goodness.
And he has 18.
18 hands. That is a lot of hands. That explains how he can make so many things.
18 hands yet. 100 hands.
Whoa.
And it has 42 feet.
He does.
Yeah.
He must have a very special kind of Santa sleigh if he has to fit on that with 42 feet and 100 hands. Oops.
It's this wide.
Whoa. That is really big.
Yeah.
What do you think, Kieran?
Wow. I'm inside Santa's sleigh. Let's pretend this is Santa's sleigh. Let's set it up. Let's set Santa's sleigh up. This is it. This is one. Another. For Miss Santa Claus. And then we need to make reindeer. Dozens of brothers and sisters. Oh, what a lot. This is Santa Claus. This is... No, that's for Mrs. Santa Claus. And this is Santa Claus is a little baby. Let's find it. How about that's for Santa Claus? This? Yeah. But that's for Santa Claus. No, that's for Miss Santa Claus. And this is for a baby, what I'm sitting on. And we're going to ride in our sleigh.
Is that the sleigh?
Yeah.
Ah.
This off sleigh.
Oh, I see. That other one is Santa's sleigh, but this is Kieran and Pearl's sleigh?
Yeah.
Nice.
They're attached to each other.
They are. Can you get in, Kieran? Yeah.
This is my... you need a little... Let me get... Will you get Kangaroo? He's one of my babies. A really little one.
Where is he?
He has a collar.
Where is he?
Right there. Right there. Here. Go. And will you sit next to me?
Oh, there's a kangaroo.
Oh. Well,
Sorry.
that one will sit next to you. And you're going to sit right next to Kangaroo. Right next to Kangaroo. And
Hey, Kieran.
where is the big Kangaroo? No, he's downstairs. He's downstairs. Can you get him? No. Mommy, can you get the kangaroo?
We can get him later.
I don't want anyone to get get him.
Oh, you don't? Go to the movie.
I want a big kangaroo.
You want to go get Big Kangaroo?
No, you can get me.
Oh, you can get him. That's fine. Or you can get him later.
But you can get him. Let's get him. Let's sing Jingle Bells. Look at this.
Okay, why don't you sing Jingle Bells first, and then we can go get him.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, fun. How what you driving a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Let's take a little Let's take a little rest. Let's take a little rest in the froggy sleigh. Here. Let's go to bed. Let's have a little rest.
Good night. Good night, children.
Let's have a little